Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable GST and add a new tax rate in Zoho Books. This is essential for businesses that need to properly configure tax settings to comply with regional requirements and ensure accurate invoicing. First, head over to the Zoho Books website by navigating to zoho.com/books in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your financial data is organized. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. This is your control center for managing all the configurations in Zoho Books, from company details to tax compliance settings. In the settings menu, locate the section labeled Taxes and Compliance and click on Taxes. This is where you'll manage all tax-related configurations for your business, including GST setup and custom tax rates. Next, click on Tax Settings. Here, you'll see a drop-down field that displays available tax systems. If GST isn't automatically available in your region, don't worry, you can still set it up manually. This flexibility allows you to configure taxes regardless of your location. To add your GST rate manually, click on Tax Rates in the left side panel. This section gives you full control over creating and managing custom tax rates that match your business needs. From the Tax Rates page, click on the plus New Tax button. This opens a form where you'll define your new tax rate, fill in the required details such as the tax name. This could be something like GST 18% or CGST 9%, and enter the rate percentage. You'll also see an option to mark this as a compound tax if it applies. Compound taxes are calculated on top of other taxes, so only check this if it's relevant to your setup. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now let's verify that your new tax rate is working properly. Head back to your dashboard and click on Sales. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this expanded menu, select Invoices. This takes you to where you create and manage all your sales invoices. Click on the plus New button to create a new invoice. As you fill in the invoice details, navigate to the item table where you add products or services. Click on Tax and you'll now see the GST tax rate you just created listed among your available options. This confirms that your new tax rate has been successfully added and is ready to use on all your invoices. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled GST and added a custom tax rate in Zoho Books, making your invoicing process compliant and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.